This is a simple and fast review of the SG TZH carbon steel washer head structural wood screws. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. All right, so as we get these out of the box, first you'll see a nice little kind of bit to help with getting these things installed using a drill so that you're comfortable with it. That bit will fit right in there. As you can see, a good looking screw, plenty of length. Note that it is not a screw, it's just a straight round piece from about this level on, and just showing you how this fits in. It will literally just fit in perfectly, and it will twist it very nicely and easily. As you can tell, there's a lot of these. For me specifically, going to be drilling into some deep wood that's kind of old, so I need to just make sure that it's not, it's not losing its grip through a shorter screw and coming out. I needed something that's going to get really deep into an older piece of wood that's a bit weathered. So these are exactly what I was looking for. Again, comes with the bit, comes with the screws, obviously. They look great. No washer, but it does have an actual kind of like long head here. So it'll be able to kind of hold things down if you're putting this basically on top of a washer. You can see just how thick that is, or wide that is. So definitely worth buying for me. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.